Hello CommerceX members, my name is Markus Baum and I am Sales and Community Manager. Today I'm going to share with you our 4th week income report. The report will include how our platform performing, company statistics, e-commerce stores review, how much sales our stores have generated so far, and how many products have we sold on our e-commerce platforms. CommerceX company reserve funds, and how much in total investments we received this week. This weekly review is special for me and CommerceX company. Today is my birthday, and as well CommerceX team congratulates 50,000 joiner members. It's a big milestone that we reach in just 24 days. Many more to come in the near future. Let's continue on our review. I'm gonna to show you all our company's updated payments wallets like Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and Payeer in exact numbers. So let's get a look at the results for this week. At the moment we have at 69,000 on Alexa rank. We are getting more and more traffic and interest from all around the world. At the moment, total members that join our company are over 53,000, and that there's around 2,000 members that are joining every day from all around the world. At the moment, we have 1,162 people surfing through website. Total deposits reached over $372,000 this week, and it's steadily growing. Payouts exceeded $9,910. Take a note that all of the withdrawals we will be proceeding every day within 36 hours and only in our office working hours. And this number here shows how many products have we sold so far on our e-commerce business platforms. Now I'm going to show you our company payment processors and company reserve funds that we have. We currently have 3 main payment processors at our system where members' funds are coming in. From these wallets, our members are getting their payouts as well. Now let's take a look. This is our Coin Payments wallet. At the moment we have almost 22 Bitcoins, which is equivalent to $221,000. Also we have 142 Ethereums, and which is equivalent to $31,000. Let's take a look to other payment processors that we have. At the moment, we have over $28,000 in reserve funds on Perfect Money payment processor. So, this is our Payeer payment processor. Currently, we have over $12,000 in reserve funds. Now, let's check our online store statistics. 25 days already passed since we started scaling the store. Our store is based on dropshipping model. As you can see, we're working on Shopify platform. I'm going to show you how much revenue store has generated in the past week, as well our further development plans for this store and for other stores too. So as you can see, we have made total $754 in sales today, 47 orders made so far today, 2,578 total sessions on our store. Total sales for this week exceeded $10,000, as you can see in the graph. It shows steady growth. Total refunds, chargebacks for the store this week was $96. And here is our store expenses. Gross income $10,150. Product fulfillment cost $2,315. Advertising cost $2,041. And total net profit is $5,794. So this is it for this week income recap. I'm extremely happy to see members growing so rapidly. Our community is one of the fastest growing in the world. Thank you all for your trust and contribution in our company. There is the big future ahead. See you in the next week and have an amazing weekend.